Hey everybody, Miss K here with another read aloud for you. This one's called Rudy and Claude Splash into Art. Written and illustrated by Adam McHeffey. That looks interesting. What you working on, Claude? Shh! Quiet, Rudy. I'm making art. Oh, art? But wait, what is art? It's something a mouse like you wouldn't understand. See, I am a true artist. I have skill and imagination. I have skill. I could smell garbage a mile away, and I have imagination. Could I be a true artist? Ha! You, an artist? That's hard to imagine. But okay, Rudy, if you insist, try to paint a self-portrait. A self-portrait is a picture you make of yourself. Find some art supplies and start painting. A self-portrait, huh? Just gotta paint myself. Easy. Oh no, that doesn't look like me at all. Try a still life. A still life is when you paint something that you can put on a table, like this. I'll paint a soup can. I guess that is a little better. But who would ever want to look at a can of soup? Try a landscape, Rudy. That's a painting of mountains or the beach or a lake. Just about anything outside in nature. Good idea, Claude. There's a beautiful lake right here in the city. I'll take a walk and see what I can paint. Honk, honk! Ah! Landscapes are not for me. Now, what are you working on? That looks like something I could do. This is found art. That's when you take objects you find and make something new. I'm going to find some objects and try making my own found art. Ta-da! All this hard work is really making me hungry. Grumble, grumble. This garbage sure smells delicious. Maybe I'll just take a quick nibble. How does your fine art sculpture coming along? Oh, Claude, I ate it. I'll never be a true artist. Rudy, why don't you borrow this book full of true artists? It will give you some new ideas. That's it. I just need the right look. Now I can really make a masterpiece. And soon I'll be a true splat. Gah, whoa, ouch. What have I done? I've made a huge mess. I'm a total failure. I'll never understand art. Never. What is art? Rudy, this is art. You've got color and movement. You've got feeling and emotion. I do? Yes, you've made a great painting. Does that mean I'm a true artist? Yes, a true artist. The end. Thanks for listening, guys.